So how to link up your S25 Ultra to your Windows PC. Open up your setting, and under setting you can see the connections, and all the way down then you can see the link up your account. Then simply you have to press on sign in using the QR code and pair device manually. Then press on I can see your QR code, then you can see the QR code. Now you have to go this website www.aka.ms. now enter your website name to your any browser. You enter the link, then open phone link, then you can see this kind of interface. Now press on Android. Now here's the QR code. Now just simply scan this QR code, press on continue, enter this code to this phone. It's done, press on next. Now you have to complete the another process, email verification, send code. Now check my email address. Now enter the code. Once done, now go back to your screen again and press on allow, and press on allow. Now you are all set. Press on continue, get start. Now you can see your phone or link up this phone to your Windows PC successfully. Now you can control your message, call, apps or photo or anything to your computer like this one. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.